YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Want to talk to you guys about the state of the market right now. As you guys can see, altcoins getting absolutely shooken up right now. Bitcoin dropping all the way down to 97, and some coins getting absolutely hammered. Even Solana seen a big dip today in the past 24 hours. A lot of coins have, right? A lot of things looking like they are just falling off an absolute cliff right now. A lot of panic selling, a lot of fear in the market. Again, Bitcoin did just hit 100K, guys. We talked about the fact that Bitcoin hits 100K, we could possibly see some sell off, right? We talked about the fear greed index. We talked about a lot of stuff, guys. It seems like a lot of people getting absolutely liquidated right now. A lot of longs getting liquidated. Let's see what's going on this fear greed index as well. Fear greed index, again, looking a little bit suspect, right, guys? We talked about last time we were in this extreme greed, and we've been talking about it, guys. We've been in the extreme greed state really since November. We've been covering it. I've been saying we're in extreme greed. We're in extreme greed. And when these things start correcting down, sometimes, some of these altcoins may also start correcting down. Now, it's not for sure that we are correcting down too, right? I mean, we haven't technically broken down yet. We may see a little bit more of a run. I don't know, but again, we may see these altcoins see a little bit of a correction. It's totally necessary. We've been saying it's needed. It doesn't mean that the bull cycle is over. It doesn't mean that alt season is canceled or anything like that. It just means that Bitcoin has been up like 40% on the month. Like, how much is Bitcoin up still this month? Bitcoin was up at like the all-time high, like 40% way up here. And now it's still up like 26% right now. So again, Bitcoin is it's volatile for sure. It's definitely volatile. Um you guys can see. But forming a bull flag right here on the 1 year. So we'll see how much of a correction is necessary, how much we will see. Kind of trading sideways, but again, creating some fear in the market right now. What are you guys' price predictions for Bitcoin? You guys think that Bitcoin will drop down a little bit lower? I did say, we do have inauguration coming up in January, so I would hope that we would see a correction before that, so that could be like a catapult to take us up even more, if not before then. But again, guys, corrections necessary here. We've been on an absolute tear with Bitcoin. It's amazing to see. Nobody anticipated that Bitcoin would even be here today, right? Nobody thought by December 9th that Bitcoin would be hitting have hit already over 100K. So, again, a correction in the market on Bitcoin is necessary. It can cause a little bit of spill off in the market. It can cause a little bit of panic selling, people thinking that the cycle's over. Can the cycle be over? It's always a possibility, man. It's always a possibility. We never know, right? We never know. But at the same time, we look at long-term indicators and stuff like that on the channel. So I'm paying attention to it, guys. Again, I'm looking for good entry points and projects. It's not financial advice. In times like this, I am looking at projects like Solana, on the dip when I can get it cheap. Because again, I think that if we have the altcoin season that we're expecting in 2025, that I'm gonna need some of this Solana. So I'm always looking to get Solana as cheap as possible. I look for these times to be accumulating, like these blue chip coins, these Solana coins and stuff like that. Projects that I feel like will have a good future, like Ethereum even. I like that too. But again, you don't go buy these things. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go buy anything on my channel. As you guys can see, these cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. So you always want to be doing your own research and stuff like that as well. But today, guys, market looking a little bit dumpy. December 9th, guys. Is this the beginning of the correction? Only time will tell, guys. We do have a let's see, on this 1 year. Oh, might be breaking down a little bit off of this, but I don't know. See, I don't know. This could be a bull flag also on the 1 year as well, right? So again, there is some sell off today. Altcoins, of course, absolutely getting hammered. Um, Anything microcap pretty much getting hammered. Very few things pumping on a day like today. That's just kind of how the market goes. But this could be presenting some new opportunities for you in the future. Maybe Bitcoin drops down significantly. Maybe that's something you want to pick up. Maybe some of these other coins that you have been wanting to pick up. Just because the coins get cheaper. If anything, guys, celebrate this. Celebrate when the coins get cheaper. Be happy when it gets cheaper, right? So I always tell you, be taking profits along the way. And, when things are cheaper, the people that have dollar cost averaged in over time, historically, you know, been good for them. So, again, past results are not indicators of future results, but sometimes it just plays out that way. It just plays out that way. So, we'll see what happens, guys. Again, a lot of these coins going down big in market cap, even some of these coins getting absolutely hammered. Look, SHIB down 15% in the past 24 hours, but coming back 5%. Maybe this was just a fake out. We talk about also the fact that fake outs happen on the Monday. So it really depends, man. It really depends. Again, Bitcoin is looking a little bit funky right now. So definitely something to pay attention to, guys. I want to know your price predictions, though. Do you guys think that Bitcoin drops down a little bit before we pump up? Or do you think that this was just a fake out, getting the paper hands out, that this 1 year chart's going to rip up out of this bull flag, and we're just really going to see some amazing things with Bitcoin, even going into, again, 2025 with the election and all that stuff? I want to know. I want to know. I do think that there's a lot of bullish things happening for crypto. There's a lot of bullish things happening for Bitcoin. And, with the new administration, it just seems like, this correction is something that is necessary. And it might be a big, big blessing. I believe that this Bitcoin correction is going to be a big blessing, especially for a lot of you guys who've been on the sidelines. Some of you guys have been waiting for this moment for a long time, right? You've been thinking, oh man, the market's going to come down. It's going to come down. We've been saying it too. The market's going to come down. It's extreme greed. This is insane. I can't believe this, all that kind of stuff. Altcoins been running crazy every day. People making like thousands of percent gains. We might see a little bit of price correction, guys. It's totally healthy. It's totally normal. They have to shake out the paper hands. Again, it's not financial advice. Not telling you to go sell off all your cryptocurrency. I'm holding a lot of bags right now. I'm not selling. I did take some profit earlier this week, though. I'm always taking profit, guys. That's one thing about me. Been through enough of these cycles to know that when you make some money, take some money. So that's all I always tell you. Two things that get you wrecked is being too greedy and too impatient. In my opinion, we're still early on this bull cycle. Alt season has not started yet. This is just a minor price correction. It's also a Monday. It could be a fake. That Bitcoin could be right tomorrow back above 100K, and these altcoins could be going crazy again. Or again, maybe we're just completely in the greed right now, right? Extreme greed. We've been talking about it. So just stuff that I'm paying attention to. Again, I can't let you know what to do, but I could just let you know what people are paying attention to right now. They're paying attention to Bitcoin. They're paying attention to Solana. They're paying attention to this fear greed index. That's pretty much what people are paying attention to right now. So, again, it's a great opportunity, in my opinion, on days like today when the market's getting smacked. And you guys could see our market cap is down like 6% right now. But look at this chart too. Total market cap looking like we're breaking off of a rising wedge. Yikes. This does look like we're going to head lower, right? It looks like there's a good chance our crypto market cap is going to go down a lot more, just because, again, if Bitcoin does decide it wants to go down, correct in a big way, then we're going to see, a good chance we're going to see a lot of these altcoins going to correct down as well. So again, we're still holding some kind of momentum, upper momentum right here, but we're sitting on some key resistance, and that just be how it be, right? It always dumps down. Look at XRP, man. XRP down 13%. Some people loving this, right? Some people not loving this so much, but you can see XRP fans, they are unscathed. These guys are always bullish. They are never paper hands in a lot of these guys. But you know, XRP. You never know, right? Cryptocurrency, you never know, guys. That's just kind of my take on it. It's my point of view on it. I feel like, again, this Bitcoin correction is something that we've been talking about being needed, right? Bitcoin has been going insane. Price does not just go up forever. That's not how it works. So, yeah, I'm taking advantage of a lot of coins right now in the market. I'm taking advantage of these cheaper prices right now. But in reality, guys, there's a chance that we see some cheaper prices, especially if Bitcoin does decide that it wants to come down as much as it needs to, right? Bitcoin needs to come down significantly. So I would hope to see Bitcoin drop down to again, I don't know. Bearish case scenario, like we topped out. Some people be asking me, like, what do you think though? Like, bearish case scenario, if we topped out, maybe bottom of the bottom, like maybe 50K, just to really make people feel scared. But maybe like 60K, maybe further down. I don't know. Who knows? Nobody knows. Maybe we don't even go down at all. Maybe we just keep going up. I don't even know. I don't even know, guys. All speculation, never financial advice. I appreciate all you guys sticking around watching the video. And also, if you want to trade with your boy Crypto J on Telegram, all you got to do is share this video over on Twitter at JTalksCrypto. I'm going to come pick you guys up to come trade with me in my private Telegram. Get up to the hour news and the stuff like this and what's going on as far as market reversals and stuff like that. But yeah, guys. What's going to happen? I don't know. Again, it is Monday, guys. Monday is known for the fakes, I feel like. Monday is known for fake outs. I feel like real price action happens on Thursday. Is this a fake out? Is this the real thing? Are we seeing the correction happen right now? Or are we still seeing some euphoria in this market? Definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.